So now let's talk about this topic is how DC motor convert electrical energy into motion. Let's talk about first, right? The DC motor works using a simple rule from physics called the Lorentz force. The rule: imagine you have a wire carrying electricity and you put it near a magnet. The electricity and the magnet together create a physical force, A push on the wire. In the motor uses strong fixed magnet to create the magnetic field. Inside, a coil of wire carries the current. The result, the magnetic field push on the current in the coil, and this push creates a turning force or torque which start the motor spinning. So let's talk about this, right? The turning force is great, but if we just connect the coil to a battery, it would only spin half a turn and stop it. Would it would just rock back and forth. And the problem, after the coil spins 180 degrees, the pushing force suddenly tries to push it back the other way. The smart solution: the motor uses a clever part called the commutator. It's like a mechanical switch attached to a spinning coil. It is job the commutator automatically flips the direction of the current in the coil at the exact moment the force is about to reverse. By flipping the current, it ensures to push each away in the same direction. This allows the motor keep spinning continuously. Uh, this right. DC motors are popular because they are so easy to control. One, speed control. To change the speed, we change the electricity we send to it. Higher voltage mean faster spinning. The best way to do this is PWM. PWM is process with moderation, which quickly turn the motor power on and off. The longer it stay on, the faster the motor goes. To direction control. To make the motor spin the other way, you just switch the positive and negative wires. It is just simple. 3. Common application. Because of this easy control, DC motors are used everywhere in robotics for precise movement and chorus drills where the trigger change the speed, and in car systems like electric window and wiper blades. So to summarize, the DC motor uses the force between a magnet and electricity to create continuous motion, and a simple commutator makes sure that motion never stops. Thank you.